Love you 3000.
Ano habak 3,000 from UAE.
Love you 3000.
Ti amo 3,000.
Para kami dahil 3,000.
Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel. You need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, wag ka mafo-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. No, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. Do never, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing-galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na-i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers, pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasalilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday, 3 to 4 videos na sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko. Tapos ninonote ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet? Miranda, visit us at www.globalmirandaminer.com. And all of us, let's get to see what we have soon in store. Our website is designed for you as a student to know what do we have to offer, what we discussed every day, and what are the things that we have in our courses. Let's try to look for all of our courses. We have Crypto Primer, Beginner Classes, Intermediate, Combo 1, Combo 2, Mentoring, Elite Package, and Corporate Booking. Let's try to click for the beginner class. Here you will see all of the details that you need to know bilang isang beginner student, the learning modules, requirements, etc. I look forward to seeing you and visiting our website for you to know our schedules and for you to become very, profitable very soon. See you, Miranda. Very, big news. So please go ahead. I don't want to steal the thunder from you. Floor is yours, my friend.
Thank you, Coach. Like just now, Coach mentioned, game guilds are an integral part of the GameFi scene right now. I mean, we all knew that YGG is really big, Axis is really big, but they kind of help each other become big previously, you see. So right. with more organized scholars and gamers and professional players coming into the scene, so that's the importance of guild. So all GameFi protocols want to work with established guilds, right? But there's only so many right now. And recently, there's a lot of guilds that come out and say, "Hey, I'm gonna be a esports guild, blah blah blah." But we know not all of them is as nice as they sound. But right now, we're gonna be partnered with one of the best esports guild in the market. They are called Battle Arena. Right now, they are Southeast Asia's largest esports arena. They are based in Kuala Lumpur. The place is 70,000 square feet, and they have hosted hundreds of competition from PUBG to LOL, Dota. Team Secret visited them before being crowned, so it's very amazing. And all the prize money has paid out more than 3 million. And they have worked with all the established brands in the world, and they are going to come into the GameFi scene. And the first game that they choose to work with is Age of Tanks. So very, very fortunate to clinch this partnership with them, and we're going to announce it official next week. So we are expected to see a boost in the numbers, and not just numbers. They're going to bring in the esports resource into the GameFi scene. I'm Neo. I'm the founder and CEO of Age of Tanks.
I've heard a lot of great things about Age of Tanks, and you and I were talking offline. I'm very happy. This is the show that you chose to give us what's up and coming, the very first. And Neo, why don't you tell us about what is Age of Tanks and what is coming over the next couple of weeks?
Well, we have been in this for almost 6 months, and 6 months in the crypto scene is really, really amazing.
Okay, so why don't we go with the actual game itself, if you don't mind. There you go. Guys, I've tried the game myself. It's so easy. You see my name, it's Coach Miranda here. On start, and it's easy as that. Click on the actual first frame, and it will count. There you go. And you see I'm already a player. I have a lot of tanks already. And guys,
and improve it.
Take a look at this. This is, oh wow.
Chapters and levels. There are 5 chapters with 5 different levels. So each chapter, the difficulty level is different. So it will reward you with different rhodium as well. So in more than 30 news as well. The Kalkan TV is from Australia. We were very honored to be interviewed by them.
Very good.
Yeah. So these are the that's already partnered with us.
Hi, Coach Miranda Miner. We talked a few times now before, but I didn't get to formally introduce myself back. So I'm Good. I'm an airline pilot, and I'm Elite University graduate, beginner's class batch 21 and intermediate class batch 18. I'm also a former mentee of my high school classmate and barkada, si Mentor Luke. I want to take this opportunity lang to thank you, not only for teaching us a very safe and effective trading system, not only sa mga fundamental and technical analysis every night during live sessions, not only sa anatomy of fish and port creation ng intermediate class, but most importantly, I want to thank you both for teaching us good trading psychology na pwede rin i-apply in real life scenarios. Thank you always, Coach, for going the extra mile to help others. And sana huwag ka magkasawang tumulong sa and yun lang. I love you 3,000 Coach, and shout out ko na rin yung buong Miranda community. I love you 3000X Miranda, and magmahalan lang tayo at maging possible.
Daily affirmation and commitment. Ako ay isang disiplinadong crypto trader. I will always plan my trades. I will not enter if it's not my bread and butter trade. I will say no to FOMO dahil I can always earn profits naman in my alpha trades. May tamang signals for buying and selling. Bakit ako? Manghuhula analysis. I will journal my trades because I want to know myself more. I know that my emotions will be known if I write them down. I will treat trading as a business, and that since I don't have a boss, I will make myself accountable to my losses. I will do all of this, I promise. Because alam ko, yayaman ako, uunlad ako, I can reach my dreams very soon. Trading is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and I am a millionaire. Millionaire trader, and I have a millionaire mindset. Hi everyone, this is Coach Miranda Miner, and welcome to another edition of a Tuesday, isang Martes na napakagandang araw, magandang gabi, kung saan tayo magkakasama-sama ulit at mag-uusap about cryptocurrency, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trader quotient, and everything in one channel. My name is Coach Miranda Miner, and welcome to our daily live, no, kung saan available po lahat. Kayo po ay makakapag-join. I'm also streaming here in Facebook. Welcome sa mga nasa Facebook po ngayon, and welcome to the 229 viewers that are waiting for me. Hindi pa tayo nagsa-start, may 229 viewers na. Maraming salamat. I hope you have actually appreciated yung mga commercials natin, and thank you for all of our sponsors. Maraming salamat po. Alright, and again, thank you for our sponsor for our BingX commercial.
This program is brought to you by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you could find your next crypto gem and where trading is made easy.
Alright, our topic for today is about Twitter, Tesla, and Bitcoin. Yan, ang ating topic for today. Ano ba ang nangyari? Ano ba yung nangyari noong nakakaraang araw? There is a little bit of a shift of the market, no? Ang ating forecast is on a downward trend, pero merong disruptor, no? Merong disruptor, hindi tumuloy ang pagbagsak ng market. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin did not go through the 37K support. It actually hung at the 38,000 level. Sumabay po sa pag-akyat ng mga napakagandang mga indexes for the past couple of hours. That's our topic for today. Ano nangyayari? What's going to happen? Anong tingin natin sa market over the past couple of days? On the next couple of days, ano mangyayari? Ito ba ay isang dead cat bounce? Ito ba ay pag-akyat lamang ng market on a little bit of a hype ni Kuya Elon? Let's talk about that, and let's try to talk about the market on a deeper dive. Alright? Without further ado, let's try to talk about the market. Okay, let's now move on with the bigger screen. Thank you again, everyone. All right. Okay, let's now look into our bigger picture. Again, the Chinese market is currently on a sideways movement. Currently at a negative 1.44%, no? Dow Jones may pag-recover at 0.7, no? 0.7. Nasdaq may pag-recover, medyo mataas because nandiyan nakalagay si Tesla and Google and other big macro or macro cap indexes and stocks. SPX 500 may pag-recover at 57 basis points.
Ang ating US oil currently flat at $100, parang kahapon lang, no? The strength of a dollar is currently at 102, no? DXY is 102. PSEI flat at 69.80, currently at 58 basis point retracement. Ang ating 10-year to 2-year delta is currently at 18 basis point. All right, let's go now into our Chinese watch list. No, Chinese market, NIO currently at 76 cents, 76 basis point improvement. Tencent currently flat at almost 0.5% negative. Twitter, ito na yung sinasabi ko kahapon. Twitter is currently almost north of 51, currently at $52 a piece, almost 51.7. Ang forecast po natin, Twitter is gonna be flat, currently at 51.7. Pre-market open review, flat po tayo on Twitter. Tesla is gonna be flat as well. Apple is gonna be flat, meaning less than 1 percentage point improvement. Today is gonna be the financial report update ni GE. Pre-market update is gonna be down negative 5 percentage points. Tingnan po natin maya-maya. Negative 5 ang ating GE pre-market update. Google currently finished yesterday with a very bullish move at 3.04% at 2465. Apple a bit flat at 67 or 0.6%. Alibaba negative 75 basis points. Facebook may paghabol at 1.56. Mare-recover na kaya yan? O makakahabol kaya siya? Or tutuloy-tuloy yan pababa? Naku, iniwanan na siya ng mga kasamahan niya. No? Currently, Facebook is forming a pangit na formation. Alright, Netflix, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-regress at pagbaba nito at currently at negative 260 basis points. PayPal currently at positive 2.03%. GE, antayin natin ito is gonna be at 91 or 0.9%. Mukhang bababa ito based on the pre-market open. Tesla currently, let me tell you something guys. Let me tell you something. Ito ang usap-usapan ngayon. No? Bumabagsak si Tesla habang umaakit si Twitter. Ito ang usap-usapan ng market. Iniisip ng market that Elon Musk could be selling shares. No? He could be selling shares para bumili ng Twitter. Kaya yung mga tao ngayon nangangatog kay Tesla. Iniisip nila that Tesla, Elon could be unloading shares, which means bababa yung price niyan because he is going to buy $44 billion for Twitter. So yun ang FYI sa mga Tesla holders dyan. Yan ang usap-usapan ngayon in the bigger market picture. Alright, let's now go with our cryptocurrency review. ADA currently flat at 87, not flat actually, at 87 cents a piece at negative 2.76. Bitcoin may pagbaba, 40,134, pagbagsak at 0.7%. 8 minutes before the market open, may balikan natin itong mga to. Apecoin nag-regress coming from $19 ATH down to 17.65, currently at negative 8.68. I'm expecting this coin to regress. Ang tagal ko nang sinasabi nito, mag-late magic yan, bababa yan. There's a reason why bumababa yan ngayon, alright? I think even on the members live kahapon, sinabi ko na yan, no? Aakyat ng konti pero tingin ko on a long term that can further go down. We're waiting for a TLSBD activation. No? Pag hindi na-activate, isa pang akyat, why not? Diba? So, Dogecoin currently at 15 cents. Umangat ng konti ang Dogecoin because of the Elon magic na tinatawag natin. Ethereum 29.64. If you're trading Ethereum, rather trade Bitcoin. Okay? Filecoin 18.23. Matic is at 1.301, is at 0.10. Rune is at 8.007. Sand is currently at 2.64. SLP at 0.014. Solana at 99.79. Tether at 2.99. XRP 0.67. Rose at 0.24. Mana at 1.89. AXS at 42.14. Engine Coin at 1.35. Gala currently at 0.17. FTM at 1.03, GMT at 3.37, and Luna currently at 95.84. Alright, what is my overall market forecast? I want us to scalp. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. The market can still retrace. Huwag kayong magpaka bullish dyan. No? We need to scalp this market. Alright. Let's now go with ilang minutes pa. We will be right back in 6 minutes. Again, our topic for today is about Elon Musk. Pero ang aking question for today, by the way, i-update ko lang kayo. I-update ko lang kayo. Yan, baba lang natin ng konti yan. No? Alright, i-update ko lang kayo noong December 31. Ang sabi natin, Elon Musk will continue to become the meme king in Twitter. Apparently, 5 months after binili niya ang Twitter. Diba? Nakakatuwa itong predictions na to. No? Talagang grabe. 5 months ago, we were saying he will continue to become the meme king. Apparently, the social media said na envision natin, there's gonna be a word king sa kanyang headline. Ayan, ginamit na ng isang headline news. Elon Musk is turning to become a social media king. Grabe, no? Napakagaling. Alright. And, tanungin ko lang po kayo, of course, i-highlight ko lang ang ating mga testimonials for the past couple of hours. Mamaya-maya na to. Highlight ko muna itong ating testimonials for today. Highlight ko lang po na mabilis. Congratulations to Josh who uploaded our learning management system. Sabi niya, super worth it. Ito rin, sabi niya na, I would like to highlight this. Sabi niya dito, Coach, maraming salamat for the sharing of idea. Bago lang sa trading, sinundan po ang mga videos. Maraming salamat. I would like to acknowledge you kasi it's your first time. No? First time mo yan, and I'm happy to be part of your first profit, and congratulations sa'yo. Ito naman, basahin natin itong testimonial na ito. Napakaganda ng testimonial na to. Okay? Basahin ko lang ng mabilis. Sabi niya dito, Coach, this was your system, nothing less but pure GMM system. I imagine na lang, what if mas malaki pa ang margin na ginamit ko? Someday makakaipon din ako ng confidence. My main target is 50 to 100,000 PHP margin in futures. At pagdating noong time na yon, masasabi ko na lang na yung trabaho ko ang magiging extra income ko while crypto trading will pay for my bills. Sobrang solid po ng malasakit nyo sa aming community. Maraming salamat po. If you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Uy, tama ito. Ito pala yung ito yung long quotation. No? If you teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. God bless you and your family po, and we love you 3,000. Uy, type number 1. Palakpakan nyo naman. Ito, grabe, for the whole month of April. Woo! April 1 to April 26, 163%. $112 profit. Nako, diba? Almost double your money. Congratulations to you. Yan po ang ating sistema. Idagdag na rin natin dyan ang isa pa. Ito. Dagdag na rin natin yung kanina sinasabi natin dito, which is about Teka lang, nawala yun. Teka. Uy, nawala yung Teka lang. Okay. Ayun. I-highlight natin. Alright, sabi niya dito, thank you, Coach, intermediate student, nag-short in APE. And isa pa dito, sabi niya dito ay, good morning, Coach. Just want to share with you my first trade and my first win. I'm happy for this. Gusto ko kong i-highlight. Kasi first win eh. I'm happy to be part of your first win in your first trade. Congratulations to you. Scalp nyo lang po ang market natin for today. Alright? Congratulations. Alright, let's now go with the market review for today. Okay, 2 more minutes before the market opens up for today. Si Elon Musk, yung kanyang bull run, no, yung kanyang purpose to buy Twitter has changed the market momentum kahapon. No? He is the savior of the 3 big indexes. Because Twitter is actually on a bull run, yung mentality, no, tandaan nyo guys, ang market is an emotional market. If the market feels na naka-risk off scenario tayo, ibig sabihin nun, pag risk off maraming mga negative issues, magbebenta ako. No? At ang daming sell the news this week. Sell the news because the big market capitalization stocks will be releasing their updates. As a matter of fact, on April 26 as of today, Alphabet, or the parent company of Google, and Microsoft, the 2 big market capitalization stocks will be releasing their financial statements. So mabigat yan, mabigat yan. But I'm forecasting pre-market open Alphabet to be just flat, no? Alphabet to open just flat. But it's actually actively traded, no? Tomorrow is gonna be PayPal, Meta, Pinterest, and Qualcomm. On April 28, mas malaki. On Thursday, it's gonna be Twitter, Amazon, Intel, and Apple is gonna be releasing their financial statements. Alright? Okay. magkaroon tayo ng konting discussion. Abangan ko lang yung pag-open ng market. Abangan po natin. Samahan nyo ako. Let's see where will this market go? Because the market, kung kayo po ay bago sa market, sasabayan nyo ko kasi maraming hindi nakakaalam. Ang merkado po ay nag-open ng 9:30 in the United States. Let's try to see kung saan uupo ang merkado natin when the market opens at 9:30 local time. Okay? Waka 1-minute candle po tayo. Sabayan nyo ako. Sabay-sabay tayo lahat. Okay? All right, 1 minute. There you go. Market is officially open. There, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Whew. Wow. Wow, wow. I said flat. Nag-take profit Tuesday ang mga tao. Tesla currently flat. As I've said, flat ang aking forecast. GE negative 6. Wow. Negative 6.41. The pre-market open forecast is only 5% na bumagsak ng negative 6%. Pre-market opening medyo nagbebentahan ng mga tao, no? So red. Of course, Bitcoin will follow. True enough, Bitcoin currently holding strong at 40,100, sorry for that, $180. Tingnan po natin mabuti si Bitcoin kung ito ay hahabol. Tingnan po natin. There you go. Again, tatandaan niyo 9:30 is a beginner's market. Marami pong nagtitrade during 9:30 to 10:30. Guys, I will just get a water. I'm sorry. I will be right back. Okay, thank you. Nakamute pala ako. Alright, I muted myself kasi inuubo tayo. Pasensya na kayo ha. Alright, okay, based on the market opening and as what we have forecasted, flat. I don't necessarily see much of an impact. At least within less than 1 percentage point. The market is actually on a take profit Tuesday. Tingnan po natin based on the pre-market forecasts. Alright, punta tayo ngayon kay Bitcoin. Let's talk about the market. And I have couple of things para sa inyo. Okay? Okay. Let's now move on to a 1-day time frame. There you go. Okay. Ito ang ating forecast kay market, no? Meron tayong mga scenarios na ginawa on a big picture, no? I will not take care of the 1 minute. Hayaan mo muna si Bitcoin dyan. But let's talk about this market picture, no? When I did my simulation, gumawa ako ng simulation kay Bitcoin. Coming from a previous all-time high of $64,000, gumawa ako ng Fibonacci retracement extension pababa, and I look at the 1.618 area, and sumalo siya sa $30,000. The same thing na ginawa natin on the most recent all-time high of $69,000. Gumawa din ako ng extension pababa. Gumawa ito ng 1.618 level. Sumalo si 33,000 level. No? 33,000 level. Kung susukatin natin ito pababa, it's almost 53%. Ito naman ay almost 50%, no? 50%, 50% retracement, 53% retracement. Okay. Now, yung unang triangle na to, kinuha ako siya on a 30,000 support, no? Gumawa ako ng triangle dito or apex of consolidation. Nagkaroon siya ng TRBO and then consolidation ulit dito, early magic, late magic. Ngayon, that's the same thing na ginawa po natin. That's the same thing na ginawa po natin that considering na meron tayong 1.618 and a 1.618 dito, in my technical analysis, pwedeng gumagawa tayo ng parehas na accumulation phase, no? Pero meron akong dalawang potential scenario. I have two potential scenario, okay? My first scenario is this, no? My first scenario is going to be yung pagrespeto ng resistance, gagawa siya ng triangle, your upper resistance, and gagawa dito ng support line 1 and 2. I have two scenarios. My first scenario is kapag nagkaroon ng potential disruption sa market, yung market sentiment nag-iba, pwedeng umakyat tayo as big as 46,000 and a correction can happen. No? Again, when I'm trying to explain, dapat alam mo na yung previous explanation ko, ha. Of course, pwede ka rin consider dito ng mga resistance at 44,000 level, no? Pwede kang consider dyan. So of course, pag sinabi natin 46,000, hindi nangangahulugan na hindi mo na i-consider yung resistance dito sa area na to. No? I'm just saying that potentially it can go and hit this resistance level. Okay. Bakit meron ditong 44,000? Meron ka ditong resistance, and resistance. Pwedeng irespeto niya rin yan. What I'm just trying to say is that may binubuo tayong triangle. No? From here to here, gagawa ng triangle dito. From here to here, gumawa ng triangle pataas. Now, it can go here only to get corrected. No? But your triangle can be broken out before August 5th. Medyo matagal. Pero another scenario, itong critical support na ito, this is your critical support, no? Critical support, kapag ang nangyari is this area, okay, itong area na to, if this area becomes corrected, no? Nagkaroon ng correction dyan, you need to remember, meron ka parang i-consider na triangle dito. Okay? If this one, ang nangyari is, kapag ang nangyari dito, tatanggalin ko tong yellow line. No? Pwedeng mangyari dito is, aangat, i-correct, pwedeng gumanito yung pangalawang itsura niya. Pwedeng gumanyan yan. No? It can still retest a 33,000 or a 1.618 as a potential scenario. Kapag ginawa niya yon, isang malaking right hand ang gagawin niya. From here to here, gagawa ng right hand, magiging hidden convergence. No? Gagawa ng right hand din para ibubul niya yan pataas. That is a potential scenario. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Because parang ganito rin ang ginawa niya dito. No? So during this line, nagkaroon ng hidden bullish convergence. No? Bumaba pa siya lalo, ni-retest niya yung almost $29,000. But you're noticing that MACD is already on an upward trend. So, pwede niya pong gawin yung same scenario dito. Okay? And i-retest yung 34,000 or 33,000 only to go bullish after retesting that drop. Okay? Those are the two scenarios na nakikita po natin in Bitcoin trajectory. Please comment down below kung naunawaan mo before ako mag-move on to my next topic. I have another topic po sa inyo. As I have said, going down to the intraday, burahin ko lang yung mga forecast natin. Going down to the intraday, as I've said and as I've been saying, please let us become very mindful of scalping muna. No, let's do scalping muna over the next couple of hours, kung hindi man days. No, palaktawin muna natin ito. Because, unang-una, from a resistance perspective, kanina ko pa sinasabi to sa Twitter, that there is a swing high, swing low, correction on a 0.5. The power of our confirmation system, hindi ka aakyat on a breakout because may sinusunod po tayong confirmation on a major or golden ratio breakout. Okay? So that's the power of that system, no? So sabi natin kanina, may nauuntog na 0.5, true enough. Hindi siya nananalo. At pag ganyan, of course, sa mga estudyante natin, ang gagawin nyo na is, alam nyo na gagawin nyo dyan. Sige nga, i-comment down below ninyo, ano ang gagawin natin kapag nakakita kayo ng correction. Anong gagawin nyo dito? Let me ask you as my... Uy! 497 bigla. Let me ask you nga, sige nga, hindi na ako sasagot. I want to test all of you. Anong gagawin ninyo kapag nagre-retrace ang coin? Anong ipangsasalon nyo dyan? I want to know. Sige nga, sige nga, sige nga. I would like to know, habang sumasagot ako ng mga chat-chat dito, I would like to know kung anong gagawin natin dito. Sige nga. Ayun, may tumama. Bakit ang gagaling nyo? Bakit ang gagaling ninyo? Wow. Bounce on 382. Pero ang tanong, anong 382 yung bounce na sinasabi nyo? Meron akong nakikitang 382 na dito. Saan magbabounce? Saan yan? Saan magbabounce dyan? Mag-short ba agad? Hmm? 618, okay. Okay, again, tatanungin ko, marami yung Marvinson, kilala ko itong mga to. Okay, this is sa East, okay. Okay, you need to remember ha. Okay, magkaroon tayo ng konting brainstorming. May 382 dito. May 382 dito. Anong 382 yung sinasabi? Ito ba yung sinasabi nyo? Swing low to swing high. Kukunin ko yung 382 bounce. Kukunin ko siya dito. Ito ba yun? O ito? Sige nga, please comment. Is this, ito ba yung inaantay natin? Is this the A? Ito, this one? Is this the one or itong 382 na to? Itong 382 na to. Ano? A or B? A or B? Anong inaantay nating support? Teka lang, wag niyo akong sagutin ng yes. A or B? Mag-o-oras? Pwede. Pwede mag-oras. Or B. Okay. B. Okay. Okay. So B. Alright. Okay. So tanggalin ko to ngayon. Mabilis yung sumagot ha. Tanggalin ko lahat muna to ngayon. So ngayon, magbi-big picture tayo. Big picture. Okay. So sabi natin, from swing low to swing high, gagawa ito ng 618. Yan, gagawa ka ng 618 dito. Yan. Okay. And then, okay. Magiging support area ito. Magiging support. Tapos, gagawa tayo dito ng triangle. Yan. We're going to scout, no? Yan, triangle. Okay. So, ito na lang yung mundo niya ngayon. Maliit na yung mundo niya. So, ang sinasabi nyo ngayon, pwede niyang gawing support line ito. Nagkakaroon ng oras dito. Pwede niyang gawing support line yan. From swing low to swing high, gagawa tayo ng 382 support. Yan ang magiging support natin. Okay, tingnan natin mabuti. Let's look into this as a potential support. Let's go down to a lower time frame. Okay, so nagre-retrace. Ang tanong, tanong ko na naman sa inyo, pwede ko na bang i-buy long ito? Can I buy long with this chart? Galing ng 382, no? Talagang sumasalo siya sa mga resistances dito, no? And nagiging support, no? Okay, magiging oras yan dyan. Magkakaroon siya ng oras. Okay, ang tanong, can I already buy long? Sige nga. Can I do buy long? Okay, sige nga, I wanna see. Can I buy long? Pag nabasag si 618, si 382, mag-iintay sa 618 on a scalping perspective, okay? Can I already do buy long? Very good. Okay, you cannot do a buy long. Okay. Very good. Very, very, very good. Okay. Do not catch a falling knife. All right. Okay, marunong na kayo. Very good. Sabi ni John C, yes kung sugalero ka. Yes kung hindi nagpaplano. Uy, mababa na yung presyo. Bibili na ako. Yes kung hindi ka nagpaplano. Diba? Alright. Alright. Okay. Okay, let's now move on with the regular market. Okay guys, sabi ko sa inyo, magsa-scalp kayo. Scalp, scalp, scalp. Huwag muna magbabuy long. Scalp this market because this market is not yet done. No? Alright. Let's now move on with our watch list for this week. Lahat kayo magbe-benefit nito. No? Mabilis lang naman tong watch list na to. Something for you to consider. Pag sinabi kong, again, pag sinabi kong watch list, huwag kayong bibili agad. Pipitikin ko ilong nyo. Huwag kayong bibili agad. Okay? Do not buy agad. Alright. Let me just change it to a 1-day time frame. Alright. Okay, ADA, meron silang potential. Keep in mind, ADA, there is a potential June 29 blockchain hard fork update. They call it a Vasil update. Hindi yung singer, hindi Vasil. Vasil, VASIL hard fork upgrade on June 29, 2022. The purpose of this hard fork update is to lessen the price, particularly on lightening the transaction. At June 29, 2022 is the initial potential rollout of ADA. Now, from an ADA perspective, the previous all-time low is currently at 0.73. This was actually way back February 22, and the previous all-time low was during this time of week of February 14, 2021, currently at 0.73. I believe that 0.73 is one of the very strong support. So from the current price to the lowest previous low is currently at 17.55% retracement. No? So medyo meron kang risk konti, but if you think about it, pag ito nag-breakout dito, potentially pwedeng magandang pumasok on this particular breakout. Ang risk mo dito is a 17% drawdown. Pero kung marami kang pera, bumili ka dun sa ilalim. No? Breakout, kung ikaw man ay magsa-stop loss, of course, you do your stop losses. But if you will do a DCA, your potential DCA area is around the 0.74, 0.75 area for ADA. Keep that in your watch list. Algo, currently, ito po yung watch list natin. Please make sure. Yan. Napakaganda ng Algo. Talaga nire-respeto niyo yung support line. No? Respect. So, abangan nyo po ito. Ilang araw. I think April 30 yung dulo. No? Yan. April 30 to May 2. Abangan mo yung Algo. No? Alright. Apecoin. Okay. This is something that you can, on a big picture, you can still do a buy long. But there's going to be retracements because meron na pong left hand ito. No? There's gonna be... Ngayon, ang laro natin dito is you scalp this coin. You scalp this coin. No? There's going to be a lower time frame retracements. Trabaho na yan. Wag kayong matakot. Yung mga wick, nakikita niyo diba yung wick niya? Yan. Trabaho niyang mag-retrace. No? Kailangan niyang mag-retrace. No? But obviously, you have a bigger 618 area here, which is gonna be, if this one breaks out, it can mean that you can see a potential breakout, aakyat pa yung pataas. But if you see a lightening of the daily time frame, ingat-ingat na kayo. But as I've said, scalp this coin. Alright. Okay, BNB. BNB, ito ang ating, medyo malaki itong triangle na to. Abangan nyo to. Okay, this is your BNB triangle. Abangan nyo yan. Alright? Let's now go to, yan, bumaba na si Bitcoin to 39,977. Masarap bumili ito mamaya sa ilalim. For Bitcoin, mamaya we will go back to Bitcoin. For Dogecoin, ito yung kanyang triangle. Okay, nagkaroon ng correction area, strong correction at 17.2 area because of your in-between Fibonacci. Nagkaroon din ng previous support acting as a resistance here. Nagkaroon ng resistance. This is a strong resistance because of the trend resistance as well. So tandaan nyo po, ayan po ang takbo ng ating Dogecoin. Normally, if there is a volume like this, mag-abang ng 382 bounce. No? Polkadot, ito po yung ating triangle for today. Okay, nung nagkaroon siya ng initial breakout, there was actually a 15% increase. Abangan nyo dito kung ito ay bababa o aakyat. Tandaan nyo to ha. This is gonna be your triangle. Okay? Ethereum is currently on a brink of a potential breakdown. Tingnan po natin. Pwedeng sumalo si 2766 and 2702. Yan ang ating range of support. Kung ito man ay babasag, magko-confirm ng pababa. Okay? Filecoin currently at 18.1, no? 18.1 si Kuya Filecoin, very good, no? Ang current nating projection kay Kuya Filecoin or Filecoin is on a big picture perspective, napakalaki na ng retracement nito, no? Fundamentally, there's something wrong with the mindset of this coin. So kung kayo ay merong choice, wag niyo na pong i-position trade si Filecoin. Alright? Polygon Matic. Si Polygon Matic may pagrespeto ng kanyang triangle. Ito magiging triangle mo dyan. Huwag niyo munang saluhin. It's actually forming a head and shoulders formation. Huwag niyo mo punang saluhin. Antayin niyo itong umakyat pataas. Okay? Antayin niyo itong gumanon. No? Alright. Si One, the same thing. You have your triangle here. Your support is at 11.55. Pero syempre, pag pababa na ng pababa, huwag niyo munang laruin. Huwag niyo munang laruin ang ganitong klaseng coin. Alright, si Rune, ang kanyang support line is at 7.29. 7.29 si Rune. Okay. Obviously, meron ka ditong trendline support. Nagkaroon ng breakout, lumaban, nagkaroon ng correction, nagkaroon ng oras, lumalaban ulit on a confirmation of another bull run for Rune. No? So, make sure alam mo yan, at least meron ka ng prison break candle on that support at 7.30. Okay, Sand, yun na po, malapit na po ang ating triangle din. Nandito na po siya sa Fibonacci Fibonacci at 2.644. Abangan mo na to, malapit-lapit na yan. We're using a day time frame kasi ang gusto kong gawin natin yung magandang position entry. Position trade. We're going to use a 1-day time frame. Okay. Si SLP nagkaroon siya ng bounce on a 0.01383. Dami mo naman chart, coach. Syempre nag-chart ako lagi, no. So lahat 'yan meron na po tayong charts diyan. Bounce on a 0.01383. Tingin ko strong support ito. But again, you need to use our system to get your confirmations. But for me, a 0.01383 could be a strong support, no? Abangan kayo ng mga confirmations dyan, yan. Gawa kayo ng mga confirmations dito, alright? Gawa kayo ng confirmation indicators. Of course, let's go to Solana. Okay, Solana, ito ang itsura niya on a big picture. Okay, huwag niyo munang saluhin. It can potentially actually retrace, no? It can retrace. Meron siyang major resistance area at 101.39 resistance area. That's actually the 618 area. Ngayon, ito yung iyong magiging wiggle room, no? Itong triangle na ito. Okay. Alright. Wala nagko-comment. Nakikinig kayo lahat, ha? Galing, ha? Very good, ha? Alright. Theta, huwag nyo munang i-trade si Theta. Kalimutan nyo muna si Theta. Okay? Wait lang kayo dyan. Si Theta kasi baka mag-bounce pa yan sa yellow line na yan. Maganda actually yung nangyari sa kanya. No? Kinorek lang siya ng resistance area na ito. No? mukhang magbabounce din na aakyat pataas. We're in the mercy of your confirmations, no? XRP, napaka-perfect na triangle. Perfect triangle. I like this triangle. Napakasarap tingnan ng triangle na to. Okay, so this is your triangle for XRP. Abangan nyo mabuti yan, ha. Sarap nito. Pag bumasag pataas yan, grabe. Okay. Alright. This was actually 2021, no? Yan, malapit na yan, guys. Almost perfect triangle. Ito mukhang, pero ito matagal pa to, around June pa ito. No? So, malapit na, maliit na lang. Actually, andito tayo noong nakaraang buwan. Kinorek lang tong resistance na to. Napakatalino ng resistance. No? Talagang kinorek lang. Sinopla, binaba. All right. Okay, let's now go to Rose. Abangan nyo rin si Rose. Another potential coin natin yan. Ang laro natin dito, potentially umangat pataas or bumaba. Ito yung inyong triangle. Medyo mahaba-haba yung triangle nyo. Ha? Okay? So, medyo malaki. Pag nag-move yan, malaki yan. Okay? And Mana. Si Mana, bumubuo ito ng magandang right hand. No? On a lower time frame, si Mana, nagpaparamdam si Mana. Ayan. So, ang laro natin kay Mana, breakout on your triangle, no? A breakout on your triangle pataas because meron ka ditong nakikitang right hand. Again, do not enter a falling wedge until you see a trend resistance breakout activation. No? Do not enter a rising wedge until you see at the LSBD. Do not enter a falling wedge until you see a TRBO. Okay, can you please type number 1 kung nauunawaan mo yan? Okay, do not enter a TLSBD do not enter a rising wedge or a bearish wedge until you see a TLSBD confirmation of a breakdown, and wala magiging grade B trade, and do not enter a falling wedge or a bullish wedge until you see a trend resistance breakout and you see no major 618 or a grade B entry point. Please type number 1 kung nanawaan mo yan. Okay. All right. Antayin ko muna kayo, magla-like kayo dyan. Sige, babalikan ko kayo. Okay, very good. Oh, wedge falling, Kuya Renzo, ha? Alright, that ends my watch list. AXS, medyo malayo-layo pa si AXS sa akin. Malayo-layo pa yan, no? Antay tayo ng potential breakout on the white line. Engine coin, mga NFTs. Ito si engine coin sa ating triangle. Look, mahaba yung triangle na yan. Ha? So if you go on a 1-day time frame, mahaba-haba yung triangle na yan. Bantayan nyo na yung magayan. Yan. Okay, Gala, the same thing. Huwag nyo munang pasukin because it's on a downward move. Okay? Papasok kayo on a trend resistance breakout. Okay? Scalp nyo lang ang mga coins. Okay. All right. Just give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Where are we now? Let me ask questions. Nag-short daw ako. Kayo talaga. But alam na alam nyo. Okay, let's add GMT to the watch list. Let's review GMT. Ayan. So, actually, GMT is in my watch list. Baguhin natin ito. Okay. So, GMT, ito na. So, let's now go on a daily time frame kay GMT. Okay. So, sasalo si 3.13 as an oras. No? Old resistance use as a support. 3.13, irerespeto niya yan. Let's now go on a lower time frame. Ayun, okay. May pagrespeto kay 3.13. Of course, okay, meron ka ng left hand, mag-ingat ka na. Okay, you have already what you call a falling wedge. No? There's actually a left hand. So, irerespeto ang 3.13. Pag binasag si 3.13, pwedeng sumalo itong area na to. Pag ito binasag, short scalp ka dyan. Okay? Yun ang GMT natin. So, it's actually within the safe territory kasi umaakyat. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo ngayon dito is, since meron ka ng sinusunod na support line yan, support line mo yan, pwede mong gawing resistance line ito. Resistance line mo itong area na yan. Yan. Yan ang magiging resistance line mo. Okay, let's try to find what is this resistance line. From swing high to swing low, ang kanyang nasa 0.5 ang kanyang resistance area. Okay, kunin natin itong 0.5 na ito. Your resistance area is currently at 3.41. Yan, 3.41. No? So, pag ito nabasag, if this one is broken, yan, short pababa. If this one is broken, no, scalp pataas. Scalp pababa, scalp pataas. Okay? Someone is saying sino sumasayaw na budots? Sino sumasayaw na budot? Uy, hindi nawawala ang VST sa BingX. Punta ka lang sa VST account mo mismo. Okay? Sinagot ko na yung GMT. Bakit pag may... because of... Well, ang sagot lang dyan, because of many occasions, people are taking profit. No, yun ang sagot dyan. Kung may high volume, people are just taking profit, iaakyat ulit siya, the buyers will win. Ganun ang ugali niya. Alright. May nag-request, let's add Jasmine. May nag-request nito. Tingnan natin itong Jasmine na to. Ang baba na ng coin na to. Sobrang baba na. Okay. Mukhang may nagmamanipulate ng coin na to, no? I mean, hindi umaak yung ang ganda ng buying volume. There's a lot of buying volume. Siguro marami naipit dito. No? Marami siguro naipit dito. Teka lang, let me just try to do a lower time frame. Okay. So, kukunin ko lang yung resistance nito. Wait lang guys, ha. Okay, just give me a second. So, kung may Fibonacci ka dito. Okay, for those that are trading Jasmine, pumasok ba kayo dito? Ba't nyo ba pinasok? Merong magandang volume eh. No? Ito yung magandang saluhin sa ilalim, guys. Pag kayo bibili kayo ng mga ganitong coin, matuto kayong gumamit ng fib. Kasi marami sa inyo, kailangan matuto kayong gumamit. Kasi magandang sumasalo kayo sa ilalim. Di ba, Captain Budge? Expert yan dyan eh. Ito yung magandang, imagine mo, from 0.0096, no? Umataw ng 0.0496. So, pag bibili kayo ng coin, ito yung mga aalamin ninyong positions. 345%. Yung pinakasalok sa ilalim. Tinuturo ko naman sa university yan. Ngayon, kunan natin itong support line na to. Just give me a second. Bakit may nagpupukpukan sa labas? Okay. Kunin natin yung trend support line nito. Yun yung 1.618 niya. Okay. Tapos, kunin natin yung in-between fibs nito. Okay. Meron kang 618. Hihimay natin yung coin na to. Hihimay natin. So, nakuha ko na siya. Pag magaling ka talagang gumamit ng system, yayaman ka talaga eh. No? Imagine mo, this is 67.51%. Grabe. Okay. So, ito ang laro because gumagawa ka na ng pababa eh. Huwag niyo muna i-buy-long. So, nagkaroon ng correction line. Support, correction line. So, nga gawin natin dito. Kukuha ko ngayon ng swing low to swing high na support. Ayun, kinuha niya yung 618 ulit. Ayan, oh. O yan, di ba? From 0, inaral natin yung takbo ng coin. Sumasakto tong coin na to sa 618. Very good, ah. Ang galing tong coin na to, no? Sumasakto. O yan, sino ba nagtanong ng Jasmine dyan? Sino nagtanong nito? Parang nawala yung nagtanong. Ayan, kompletos recados ka na, no? Did you guys learn that? May natutunan ba kayo sa ginawa ko? Imaginein mo, Imaginein mo, ganito yung tsura ng coin. Ganito yung itsura ng coin. Ang tanong, kaya mo bang i-trade yan? Diba? Ito yung karamihan tanong lagi ng isang, imaginein mo guys yan. Ito yung itsura ng isang coin. Diba? How can you trade this? If you're using a moving average, how can you trade this? O yung pinakita ko kanina, yun ang gamitin nyo. Diba? May natutunan ba kayo? Gamitin nyo ito pag wala kayong previous resistance and support, ha? Gamitin nyo yung system natin. Okay? Uy, masamagot kayo. Gusto ko guys, answer please para para makuha naiintindihan nyo, ha? Ba't alam nyo yun? Nakikinig lahat, eh. Nag-chart siguro itong mga to. Are you charting, guys? Ayan. So, saktong-saktong galing. Maganda tong coin na to. So, ang magandang entry mo dito, kukunin mo tong yan. Kung ito magko-correct, ito magiging irerespeto niya, kukunin ko to pataas. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Buti nakikinig naman kayo. Very good, very good, very good. Maganda yung mga ganyan. Ayan. Very good. Ganun yung system natin. No? Pag wala ka talagang historical support and resistance, kailangan mong gumamit ng ibang system. Pag pababa ng pababa ng pababa ng pababa, yun yung laro ninyo, yung salok, kukuha kayo sa ilalim. No? Yun ang laro dyan. So, matututunan nyo din yan, huwag kayong mag-alala. Pabalik-balik nyo itong aralin, itong chart na to. Aral-aral, pabalik-balik lang and you guys can learn. Kasi kung nung ako din baguhan, hindi ko rin alam gawin to. Siguro kung ako yung bago, ano ba itong gagawin ko dito? Pababa eh. Diba? Anong gagawin mo dyan? Seryoso, paano mo nakuha yung setup na yun, coach? Paano mo nakuha yung ilalim na to? Paano mo ito nakuha? Merong system eh. Ayan, no? Imagine mo, pababa yung coin. Tapos bili ka ng bili, wala kang ginagamit na system, talo ka. Talo ka. Bili lang kayo ng bili, nahahype kayo, o bili na kayo ng Just Me. Hindi kayo tumitingin dun sa may buy on bounce. Bounce on the dip. Buy on the true dip. Saan yung totoong dip? Yun ang kailangan yung malaman. Para hindi kayo na-FOMO. Kaya nyo munang mag-retrace. Diba? Pero hindi ko kayo masisisi kasi ang hirap i-trade ng coin na to. Diba? Ang kagandahan nito, pag alam nyo yung system, hindi ang laki ng kinita nyo. Ilang percent yun? Grabe, 61%. Diba? 61%, no? Grabe. Congratulations to all of you na kumita dito. Imagine naman, nagkaroon ng magandang bounce. Diba? Sinalo lang, nagkaroon ng bounce dito. No? Galing. All right. Okay. Alam mo, nagtataka ako, alas 10 na ng gabi, yung kabilang building may nagpupukpukan. Ano ba nangyayari doon? Wala namang ginagawang building dito. Ano ba nangyayari? Okay. All right. Let's now check. Siguro, meron pa ba tayong ibang question? O sige, yun muna siguro. Yun muna ang aralin natin. No? Next time, mag-AMA tayo. We're going to do an AMA and i-demo ko sa inyo paano kayo. Let's give me coins, I will chart it for you. Ganun siguro tayo next time. No, para meron tayong focus. No, siguro this time I'll not do an AMA yet. But at least yung topic natin, Tesla, they were the game changer. Pero ang aking reminder sa ating Twitter, no, makinig po kayo sa Twitter natin, mag-scalp muna tayo. Scalp the market. Marami sa inyong sumunod niyan. Congratulations. No, wag muna kayo magbida-bida ng buy long dyan, kasi the market can still retrace this week, no? Now, let's go back to where... teka lang, another topic ko pa pala is ito. Good to hear, magkakaroon tayo ng ETF on Australia. Magandang balita yan. Ha? Sana they can do a spot ETF. Sana wag futures. No? We will take note of that headline in the future. FYI lang, napakagandang statistics. I'm actually monitoring this. Good statistics, the open interest across all the platform is already down to around 12 billion. Kung nakatandaan ninyo, may mga pagkakataon nagkakaroon ng flush out na ganito. Flush out, flush out, flush out, flush outs. Ito yung mga flush outs kung saan the market sobrang taas na mga leverages. Wina-wipe out yung mga mga sobrang lalaki ng leverages. Wipe out sila dyan. This was actually December 5, September 7, May 19, and April 18. No? So, ang kagandahan ng statistics na ito, at least nakikita natin that from an open interest, ang ibig sabihin ng open interest, ito yung mga open positions na naka-leverage. No? Ito yung unsettled margin-based derivatives. No? When I say unsettled, hindi pa siya nati-take profit or hindi pa siya naliliquidate. Okay? So maganda yan na nagrarally tayo on a sideways movement for aggregate open interest. Ibig sabihin lang yan, the market is not overly leveraging the positions, no? All right. So maganda rin dito, pinakikita rin dito ni Glassnode. Thank you to Glassnodes. The same thing yung sinasabi nila. They're saying that the Bitcoin open interest is currently flat, no? It's currently flat around $15 billion, no? 10 billion perpetual swaps and 5 billion on a calendar derivatives, no? So this means that on a sideways market, hindi sobrang agresibo ng mga tao on using leverage, no? And I think this is expected on a market that is consolidating or yung market na very defensive, guys. Sinuturo ko sa system natin, stay defensive. If the market is becoming very defensive, why shouldn't you? Diba? Why shouldn't you become defensive as well? Follow where the market is going, no? Pag meron na kayong malaking kapital, doon kayo maging aggressive, no? Ibig sabihin, position size ninyo, let's say you have 10 million pesos, o di yung 500,000 ang gawin mong aggressive move, at least 5% lang yun, no? But if you have a very small capital, don't tame your greed. Do not be very greedy on this market. Tulad ng maraming nakikita natin, the whole market, the whole global market actually is becoming very conservative, no? Sabi nga rito ng article, no? Open interest in futures is notably lower than it was previous peak, no? With a 2:1 split, no? Ibig sabihin yan that the market is becoming very defensive, no? Hindi sila nag-maximize ng mga leverage, and so should us, no? When we scalp, no, we do spot, or when we scalp, we do leverage that's within just the acceptable range. All right? Yun ang ating another headline. And of course, if you are my student, if magandang news din ito, no? If you're my student in intermediate, mauunawaan mo tong headline na ito, no? Bitcoin correlation with gold mababa. Si gold na maintain niya yung kanyang store value, pero si Bitcoin bumababa. Sabi dito, basahin mabuti natin ito. Ang sabi dito, this reflects the Bitcoin increasing correlation with macro stock indices, no? And recent behavior as a risk asset than a store value. Diba? If you're my intermediate student, you will understand what does this mean. Diba? Ibig sabihin yan, lumalaki yung kanyang correlation, yung kanyang pagkakatugma sa takbo, no? Sa takbo ng ating stock market. Tinuturo ko na po sa inyo yan sa ating intermediate course. So aralin mo din yan to understand the market. Alright? Okay. Okay. Alright. So, ang ating question for today, sagutin nyo naman ito. Please, pakisagot. Ako naman tatanong sa inyo, sagutin nyo naman. Do you think Elon can change the market direction? Do you think that the market can change? Can it become really bullish? Can the billionaire, the richest man in the world, can he change the market direction? Yes or no? Sige nga, pakisagot naman, pakitulong nga po. Can you please help me? Please help me on understanding what should be Elon's market direction. Kakayanin ba niya to? Kakayanin ba ng Twitter bullish news na maging green ang merkado? Or mananalo pa din ang Federal Reserve sentiment? No? The Federal Reserve sentiment na tataas ang interest rates and so on and so forth. Kakayanin ba niya? Ano sa tingin ninyo? Yes? Yes. Okay. Kakayanin? Okay. Alvin said no. He did it the few times before. Pinabagsak niya yung market nung May of last year. Ang mangyayari kaya, May of this year, mapaakitin kaya niya yung market? Ano sa tingin ninyo? Di ba last year, May, binagsak yung dahil sa Dogecoin tsaka sa pronouncements ng Tesla that they were selling down. Hindi naman totoo. No? Oy, by the way, ang Tesla, meron pa ding Bitcoin. Ha? Ang Bitcoin nila, 1.5 billion dati. Ngayon, 1.28 billion na lang. No? So, nagkaroon ng paper loss dyan. He needs other whales to ride them, sabi ni Herbert. 25%, wow. 25% yes. No? Ang dududa na ako kay Ninong Elon, baka alien yan. sabi ni DJ Sais, wow, baka alien no? All right. Check ko nga ito. Wait. Okay. Possible every tweets niya may changes talaga. He is the force. Tingnan natin. Sabi nga nila, 90% of the market is wrong. So baka no. Kung majority ang nagsasabing yes, baka hindi. Diba? So we're going to be on the lookout. Pero tingnan nga natin si Google. Price release nila to date. Ano nangyari kay Google? I think Google is on a... Let's see. Whew! Ang pula. Ang sakit. Google is down negative 2.48%. Tesla as expected is actually down. Twitter is a bit fighting at 1.84. Again, sabi ko sa inyo, Tesla is gonna be scared, no? Kasi iniisip ng Tesla, negative 7.12 sila. Nakita mo yan? Negative 7.12, 13%. Kasi nga, iniisip ng mga tao dyan sa Tesla, uy, baka magbenta si Elon Musk. And you need to remember, Elon Musk is handling 17% of the entire Tesla shares. No? FYI ha, Elon Musk is actually the single biggest stockholder of Tesla at 17%. And he wants to buy Twitter. Twitter becoming publicly traded, Twitter will now become privately owned. Isang tao na lang may-ari niyan, si Elon na lang. And grabe, no? Imagine mo, laki ng pera niya, bibili niya 44 billion. Kaya iniisip ng mga tao sa Tesla, ito baka magbenta to. Baka magbenta itong what's this? Itong si Kuya Elon Musk. Natawa ako kay GE. Kwento ko na sa inyo. Natawa ako kay General Electric. Nakakatawa tong stock na to. Tingin ko, this is just my perspective, no. Maraming mga articles ang pumuri kay GE. No, matatawa kayo diyan. Maraming articles ang pumuri sa kanya. Oy, maganda yung financial blah blah blah. Pero yung pre-market niya, 'di ba sabi ko negative 5%. Yung bumagsak pa ng negative 10% to. Ibig sabihin, parang may something na bakit ka maglalabas ng magandang news ay negative pala yung financial statements mo. 'Di ba? Negative mo, negative 10%. Diba? So, huwag niyong kakalimutan, guys, na itong week na ito, magiging volatile week itong linggo na ito. Kaya scalp nyo lang muna. Do not stay, do not buy very, very big positions. Scalp the market. Paulit ko sasabihin yan, ha? Because the market is becoming very, very volatile. The market will follow. There's a correlation between the Bitcoin market to the stock market already. No? Sabi ko, napatunayan ko na naman yan sa inyo. Pagtungtong ng 9:30 ng gabi, sabi ko sa inyo, mag-abang ng mga positions kasi hahataw yan, magkakaroon ng mga massive moves. True enough, if you're new to my show, ngayon alam mo na 9:30 ng gabi, sumasabay po ang Bitcoin into the other stock market performance. Okay, so today, Alphabet and Microsoft. So, I'm going to be watching the news later on in terms of the earnings releases. Tingnan natin, mukhang negative ang sentiment ng market. Mukhang hindi kinakaya ni Kuya Elon, no? And I don't think he can. I don't think he can by himself. No, I think the other whales need to chime in. No, kahit sabihin niyang maganda yung nangyayari ngayon because he is planning to buy Twitter, but again, the bigger picture is the market will be still, no? They're really gonna be very, 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 very conservative because of the potential release, no, of the FOMC meeting, no? FOMC watchlist. Buksan ko lang ng mabilis ulit, no? So, yung papalabas na yan, yung FOMC na yan, on 8 days na lang, on May 4, tanggap na ng buong mundo ito na they're potentially going to release a 97% accuracy or 98% accuracy na tataas ng 0.75 or 75 basis point ang interest rates, no? Diniscuss ko na po yan sa inyo nung Saturday, ano ibig sabihin yan, ha? So, lahat ng tao nagpe-prepare dyan, no? And isang mabilis na lang, tatandaan ninyo, kung ako ay isang trader, merong gera, merong lockdown sa China, ako ba ay magte-trade ng equities, lalo na may sell-on news, o ako ba ay magiging safe? Ako ba ay magiging safe? Ako ba ay mag-iiwan on a 10-year yield? Gagawin ko ba ito? Mas gagawin ko ba ang 10-year yield? Magtatago ba ako ng pera dito? Mas makakatipid ba ako dito? Imaginein mo, yung presyo ng 10-year bond, guaranteed, risk-free, way back August 2021 was just 1.1%. Ngayon, umaabot na po ng almost 2.97 plus yung 75 basis points, pwedeng humataw ng almost 3.5. 3.5 yung kanyang interest rate on a treasury yield. So, ibig mo sabihin dyan, kung ako ay isang trader nung unang panahon, tataya ako on a 5% profit, doon na lang ako sa guarantee, doon na lang ako sa sovereign bonds. Doon na lang lalagay ko yung pera ko. Ayun ang ginagawa ng mga tao ngayon. That is what everyone is doing right now, ladies and gentlemen. No? That is what everyone is doing right now. That from a perspective of your bonds, your treasury yields, etc., the last time it went all-time high was October of 2018. No? October 2018. Ito yung mga panahon na nagbabagsakan po lahat. If you look at this, nung para ma-tame down nila yung inflation, yan, during 2018, kailangan nilang humarabas sa interest rates para itaas nila yan. Para yung nangyayari ngayon, no? Para ito umakyat, they would need to raise the interest rates. No? They would need to raise this. Okay? Alright. So, yun ang ginagawa nila ngayon para umabot ulit dito sa comfortable area. No? So, ang ginagawa nila is, ba't ako bibili? Kikita lang naman ako ng positive 3%. O doon na lang ako sa guarantee, doon ako sa gobyerno, doon na lang ako sa yield, sa treasury yields, sa bonds, doon na lang ako. Diba? Sa mga nagtitinda ng insurance dyan or mutual funds, that's what you're saying to your clients. Oh, yung aming fund basket, 20% bonds, 80% equities. Ito yung ibig sabihin nun. Some of the investors only put their money on a treasury bond or a treasury yield, no? Ayan ang magandang narrative doon. So, kumbaga, alam mo namang maglilinis yung market, negative yung perspective, doon na lang ako, I will put some of my investments into a safe zone. And that's what have happened. Yan na po yung nangyayari ngayon. If you look into my profile, tinweet na po natin yan. There's almost 100, just give me a second, no? Hanapin ko lang. Ito, for Monday, Tuesday, GE, yan, Visa, General Motors, Microsoft, Alphabet, mag-declare sila ng reports ngayon, guys. Ha? Hanapin ko lang yung tinweet natin. Anyways, pag hindi ko siya makita, nakalagay dun sa tweet natin, almost billions of money went out of the equities market already. No? Almost billions of pesos went out of the equities market. Yun na po yung nangyayari ngayon. No? The market is actually trying to clear their hands. No? Ayan. Yan, no? Investors just pulled out a massive 117.5 billion out of global equities. And what are the equities? Ito yung mga stocks. Ito yung mga stocks na tinatawag. They pulled out $17.5 billion out of the equities. And ang tingin natin, they're putting it on a safer haven or a safe haven. In this case, those are your bond markets. Okay? Okay. All right. Yun na po ang ating topic for today. Sana natutulungan ko kayo. Sana nakatulong tayo kahit papano with our show. Na-guide po natin kayo. And nakatulong ako on how to navigate a coin na walang backbone. Pag ang coin walang backbone, walang support resistance na previous, gamit kayo ng system natin. Our trend, our Fibonacci extensions pababa or pataas. Parang si Ape din yan, no? Parang si Ape din yan, no? Meron kayong sinusunod na 618 kasi minsan ganun ng market, no? Pag bago pa lang ang coin, wala kayong makikitang mga support and resistances. All right. With that said, thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat. Uy, nabutas daw yung 382. Tingnan po natin. Tingnan natin si Bitcoin. Hindi raw knife. Hindi raw knife, no? So, very good sa mga nag-short dyan. Okay, so pag ganyan, alam nyo na, no? Pag ganyan, abangan nyo na ngayon yun sa ilalim, sa 618 area. Okay, yan. So, butas yung 382. Alright? So ang gagawin nyo ngayon, edi mag-aabang kayo doon sa 618 area. Alright? Okay, I hope you're guided there ha. Ganun lang. Scalp the market. Scalp the market. The market is very, very volatile this week. Saturday ko pa sinasabi yan. Okay, maraming salamat sa lahat. No? And of course, if you're not, kung kayo ay willing pang makinig, bigyan nyo ako ng couple of minutes lang naman. Ito lang yung ating university curriculum ha. Kung kayo ay bago sa aking channel, you can actually access the curriculum here. No? When you open this link, lalabas po yung ating curriculum course content. If you would like to know more about our curriculum, ano po yung laman ng ating course, andito po lahat yan. For example, you have your beginner module, ito po yung mga topics. For the intermediate, ito po yung mga topics, and so on and so forth. Alright, maraming salamat sa inyo po. God bless all of you. I hope you've learned something in our channel, and God bless you guys. Okay? Alright, maraming salamat ulit, and please follow me and please like this video if you have learned something for today. Please also follow me in all of my social media channels in YouTube. I'm Coach Miranda Minor. In Facebook, I have Facebook page, Facebook group, Discord. Meron tayong legit na Instagram. Please follow me there. We also have our TikTok and our Twitter and LinkedIn. Meron na rin po tayo dyan, and Telegram. Ang dami na po natin, social media na. So, I hope you find the right channel where you can follow me. I'm always actually in Twitter, FYI. Alright? Maraming salamat guys, and I love you 3,000. Thank you guys. Abangan nyo kami tomorrow ni Mentor Rose sa aming Dear Coach with Mentor Rose and Dear Coach Miranda. Thank you guys. I love you 3,000. Maraming salamat, and salamat po.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste.